Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you the shopping vlog and also few unboxings for the things that I got from the trip to New York back in June 2021, which is a few months ago. I didn't have time to upload, so I hope you enjoyed today's video because I'm gonna give you a tour of the largest Hermes store in America. What I got. Got some goodies today. So happy. Now let me share with you what I got from that trip. There is a bag. It is not quarter bag, but I love it. I'm glad that I could score this at the store. It is a mini bag, and I also got another thing, fashion jewelry, and also another rodeo for my friend. I'm gonna also share with you the price later on. For now, let's unbox this little thing right here. Of course, I already used this because I was in New York and I couldn't wait to use it. So I did use it already. I'm gonna share with you a few pictures that I took with this thing in New York too. Here is the box. I already took the ribbon off. So there's a dust bag inside, very small, with Hermes and carriage on it. And here it is. It is a smallest Kelly back charm. It is not a back charm. It is actually a necklet. But I use it as a charm because it is tiny. It is very cute. It comes with a long string. It looks just like a Kelly, but I couldn't turn this piece right here. So pretty. It is not red with white stitching and white bottom. In the back, it has a white piece of leather on the top here. It has Hermes Paris in the back here. And yes, it is made with leather. This is limited edition piece, so there are not many of them in America. And this is the only piece was at the store at that time. I'm so glad that I could get it. It is just so cute. And the second piece is a back charm. It is a rodeo, which I could get from my friend. And this is the third piece that I got from the store. Let's reveal it together. Let's take a look at it. As I said earlier, I already used this piece, so I'm gonna insert few pictures after I unbox it so you could see it on me. Here comes the dust bag and what's inside. It is a black EVELYNE in size TPM with gold hardware. I love gold hardware, so once she showed me this one, I got it right away. I wanted, a colorful bag, but at the time when I was at store, there are none color bags except neutral color. I decided to rehome the EVELYNE in size TPM in a taupe color. The strap is in another dust bag, smaller dust bag here. Let me show you together the bag with the strap. It has gold hardware, which I love so much. This combo, black and gold hardware. This bag is in Clemence leather, which is prone to slouchy faster than the Togo. It has perforated H logo in the front. The strap is very long. It has Hermes, made in France. If I wear it as a crossbody bag, then it is perfect, but not as a shoulder bag. You probably saw this bag many times on YouTube, but quickly showing you the inside. It is hard for you to see, but it is unlined. It is like a big black hole. Not too long ago, you probably saw me unboxing another one of this EVELYNE in a taupe color. I decided to rehome it because a taupe color is not for me. I thought I could like it because I never had an a taupe bag in my collection, but it wasn't for me. I'm glad that I decided to go with this black bag because it's small, it is carefree, it holds just enough what I need for the day when I travel around in New York by subway. I have a little things in the mini pochette and then have the mini pochette in this little EVELYNE. It fits perfectly. Yeah, so I felt really safe with that mini pochette in here and wearing this as a crossbody bag. So it was perfect for me when I travel around New York City. So let me share with you the ribbon that I got. You see it is a long piece of ribbon because I actually went back to store. I forgot to ask the SA about this ribbon, with the year on it. This is the first time I could get the ribbon with the year on it. I know it's just a little thing, but I love it. I started buying things from Hermes a few years ago, but I never got the ribbon with the year on it. So this is the first time. I didn't know there's this ribbon at the store, but because the day I was at the store, the SA forgot to give me the receipt. So I called the store and went back the next day to pick up the receipt. And when I went back the next day to pick up the receipt, I saw this. So I asked another SA because the SA that working with me, she wasn't at the store that day. So the other SA gave me this. But because I went back inside the store without, the things that I purchased the day before. So the SA asked me to give back the previous ribbon. And I said, oh my God, just a ribbon. She asked to have those back to be able to give me this new ribbon. I'm glad that my husband just parked in the front of the store. So I went outside and got the previous ribbon to trade in for this one. It is funny, but I'm glad that I got it now. I forgot to share with you the price. So here is the receipt. Yeah, I got the back charm for $550. It is in size medium. So it is $550 plus tax, but now it went up. The EVELYNE 16 Amazon bag was $1,800 plus tax. The necklace, it is called necklace MONPETITKELLY printed cow skin multicolor. It is $560 plus tax. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates and pictures about anything related to luxury, lifestyle, and travel. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.